Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Hania. It's Hania here. In today's video, we are going to do the question answers of the chapter Nutrition in Plant from the NCERT book of Science for class 7th. If this video was useful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. So now, let's get started. Comprehension A. Choose the correct options as directed. First, the king met three old peasants. Read the descriptions and circle the correct options. A. The old man / the older man / the oldest man had strong limbs and a sharp vision. He could hear well and his speech was clear. B. The old man / the older man / the oldest man needed help to walk. He could see well, but his hearing had weakened with age. C. The old man / the older man / the oldest man had a sickly complexion and his teeth were missing. His posture was poor and he could only walk with assistance. His sight and hearing had greatly weakened. Answer: A. The oldest man, B. The older man, and C. The old man. Question 2. What did the last peasant tell the king? Tick the suitable statements. A. The peasants in his time would sow, reap, thresh and eat their crop. There was enough food for everyone. Each person grew corn on their own land. Each person would share their crop with anyone in need. The persons believed that they could only own their labor. F. Everyone was wealthy because their crop fetched good prices. The answer is all the option, just leaving F. B. Read the sentences and answer the questions. First, as to buying, I never bought any. A. Who said these words? Answered: the second old man said these words. B. What had never bought? B. He had never bought any grain or anything else. C. Why had he never bought any? Answer: he had never bought any because in his time money was not yet in use. Second, it's the very same kind. A. Who said these words? Answer: the third old man said these words. B. What is it? Answer: it is the grain. C. What did the speaker compare it to? Answer: the speaker compared it to the grain he used to eat in his young days. Third, it was a thing no man called his own. A. What is the thing? Answer: the thing is land. B. According to the speaker, whose thing was it? Answer: the land belonged to God. C. What could a man call his own? C. The man could call his labor his own. C. Answer these questions. First, what did the children find in the ravine? Answer: the children found a large grain in the ravine. Second, how did the object reach the king? Answer: the traveler bought the grain from the children for a penny and sold it to the king as a curiosity. Question 3. How did the wise men discover what the object was? Answer: the wise men discovered that the object was a grain when a hen flew in and pecked at it till she made a hole in it. Question 4. Why did the king want to meet a very old peasant? Answer: the king wanted to know where and when such a grain was grown, but the wise men could not answer his question. They suggested that peasants be questioned about it, so the king wanted to meet a very old peasant. Question 5. Why did the old man describe the object as a fine grain? Answer: the old man described the object as a fine grain because it was large and tasty. Question 6. List the questions that the king asked the last peasant. How did the peasant answer the king's final two questions? Answer: the king asked the last peasant these questions. When and where was such corn grown? Second, had he bought or sown such grain? Third, where was his field where he grew corn like that? Fourth, why did the earth bear such grain then and does not anymore? Fifth, why did his grandson walk with two crutches, his son with one, while he did not need any? The peasant answered the king's final two questions by saying that humans had ceased to live by their own labor. Instead, they depend on others' labor. In the old times, humans lived on what they produced and did not want what others had. D. Think and answer. Question 1. Why do you think the children sold the object for a penny, whereas the traveler sold it to the king as a curiosity? Answer: the children did not realize the value of an unusual grain of corn like the one they had found, and sold it to the traveler for a small amount. The traveler, however, instantly recognized its value and took it to the king, who saw its worth. Question 2. Why do you think the old men considered selling and buying grain a sin? Answer. In the old man's time, people only owned their own labor, not land or grain. They had no concept of money and hence did not buy or sell goods. If they bought grain, they would be buying the produce of God's land and another person's labor, which would be a sin. Question 3. The first old man used 2 crutches and his father used 1 crutch while his grandfather used none. What is the significance of this? Answer. The first old man was the youngest but the weakest of all 3 men. His father was healthier than him but weaker than his own father, who was unusually fit for his age. This indicates that as the generation progressed, health issues became more common and quality of life decreased. This video ends here. If you got help from this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.